Click on the link below to get price. The 5000W dual-motor electric bike for adults is an impressive machine that combines power, speed, and versatility, making it an excellent choice for both commuting and off-road adventures. With a top speed of 52 miles per hour, this bike is not for the faint-hearted, and it delivers an exhilarating experience that is hard to match. First, the dual-motor system is a standout feature. With a total power output of 5000 W, the bike accelerates impressively, providing a thrilling ride that is both smooth and responsive. Whether you are tackling steep hills or cruising along flat roads, the dual motors ensure you have more than enough power. The 60V 32AH battery further enhances the bike's performance, offering a long-range capability that allows for extended rides without the constant worry of running out of juice. The design of the bike is robust yet stylish. The frame is constructed from high-quality materials that ensure durability while also maintaining a sleek appearance. The adjustable seat and ergonomic handlebars provide comfort, making long rides more enjoyable. The bike also features front and rear disc brakes that offer reliable stopping power, an essential safety feature given its high speeds. In terms of practicality, this electric bike comes equipped with a variety of features such as LED lights for night riding, a digital display that provides real-time information about speed, battery level, and distance traveled, and sturdy tires that grip the road well under various conditions. However, potential buyers should consider the weight of the bike, as the robust build contributes to a heftier frame, which may not be ideal for everyone, especially in terms of maneuverability when not in motion. Overall, the 5000W dual-motor electric bike is a fantastic investment for those seeking an adrenaline-pumping ride with the convenience of electric power. It delivers on performance, comfort, and safety, making it a top choice in the electric bike market.